Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the Mafia. If this is your first time, girl, what you doing? Make sure you subscribe, okay? So basically I ordered a wig. Yes, girl. I ordered the wig off of AliExpress. I got it from, I don't know, but we finna open this box, okay? We finna open the package. Alright, y'all. So I already took the wig out of the FedEx box. Well, it's not really a box. It came out of a bag. But here's the wig. It came real secure, okay, sis? Like bubble wrap and all. So we finna slide her out. Period. And this is the box. It's a little oily. That's not how it was sent to me. I put baby oil on and it got on the box, okay? So basically, let me see. So this is from AliExpress, like I said, as already stated. It came from Isee hair company. It's from Isee. Alright, y'all, so I did open a box. The box is really cute. It's just kind of a black plain box with gold iridescent words on there. It says I see your beauty, AliExpress. That is really cute. With all of that packaging though, all of that bubble wrap, why my box still broke? But you tried. So you tried. So I don't really know what made me order this hair. I know what made me order the hair. I don't know what made me order from this vendor. Alright, so when y'all open a box, it's going to be the wig or a unit or whatever you want to call it. And a little note with their Instagram name. Oh, I can scan this Instagram to get $5 back. Period. I'm doing it once I finish making this video, okay? So this is my wig. So I ordered the Mongolian curly short human hair wig. It's 14 inches. 150 density. But let's see. We finna shake her out because girl, she's looking kind of short. She's giving Jerry curl. You see her? She's giving she's giving Jerry curl, and I was not trying to give Jerry curl. So before I go into the hair, I'm gonna basically go into the box. So when you open a box, once you take your wig out, they also send you a 2-piece wig cap. So thank you very much. It's not my color, so I'm gonna have to tint her, but it's always good to keep a cap. You get it that. You also get, oh, these is kind of cute. You get some 3D mink hair eyelashes from Isee. These is cute though, y'all. Like, can y'all see the 3D? Can y'all see it? Let me just. These is actually really cute. Like, I might wear these bad boys because these look fluffy. These are pretty. I don't know if y'all can really get the gist of like what it's giving, but it's actually giving way better than they used to give, because they used to just give you them like little cheap ass eyelashes that was ugly. But these Isee are cute, okay? These is cute Isee. Then it also, oh wow, the beautiful black women on this cover, they're gorgeous, okay? Look, get into the card, get into the business card, okay? They're gorgeous. Period. So on this little card, it basically says all 5-star feedback and beautiful photos get you $10, I guess, on your next purchase. I'm not too sure about that, because if it's not really worth 5 stars, why do I have to give you 5 stars to get my money when it's honest review? But whatever. It says item is described, basically communication, shipping speed, all 5 stars. Notice any problems, please contact us first. We do our best to resolve your problems. And then it has like, oh cute, like a little email or WhatsApp number, and an AliExpress customer service situation. So this is the back of the business card. I live for it. It is pretty cute. It's like a standard little AliExpress hair box basically. So I'm gonna throw everything back in the box, and then I'm gonna get into the wig, sis, because that's what y'all came here for. That's what I came here for, this wig. So she is cute. She's kind of bouncy, as y'all can see. She's very much bouncy. She's short though, like she's very short. She's not giving me 14 inches at all. Like even stretch, sis, this is not 14 inches at all. And I know y'all be trying to do the little stretch length, but this is not giving 14 inches, sis. So I see you owe me a couple inches. I'm just saying, this is not giving me 14 inches. But actually, the hair texture is kind of nice. It's really soft on the bottom. I will say though that the top of the hair, like the hair that's on the lace up here, she's a little rough. I mean, y'all can probably see it. Like, look at, you see like the frizz, and then look at the curls down here, how they're like real tight, real like kind of luscious, but this is giving a little dry. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not sure about that yet. Because if it's already giving dry and I didn't even put it on or bleach it or style it or anything, what is it going to give when I put it on? But overall, she is kind of cute. I'll show y'all the inside of the wig. It's made like most wigs, to be honest. There's nothing fancy or special about it. It has the standard 4 combs inside the wig, you know, like always. The parting space is not as big as I like it to be. It is kind of standard too. It's like, I don't know what they call it, like a 13x6 or something like that. But you see, like, it's not that much parting space. Like, if I want to do like a deep side part, I kind of can't, because she ends. She only has a little bit of parting space up in here on the sides, and the parting space is usually bigger in the middle. But I'm not really a middle part bitch. As y'all can see, like, when I wear a middle part, it make my head look weird. So we're gonna figure her out. But I bought her, like I said, she's 14 inches. She was just something like different for the summer. I'm kind of just over having hair at this point, and I just want to do something else. So this is her. She retails for $76. $76 is what she calls. She's bouncy though. She has a little bit of to her. So after taxes and fees, you will end up paying $80.30 for her to get shipped to your house. But sis, the shipping is A1 day one, okay? So I ordered my wig on July 30th. I don't know if that's a weekday or a weekend, but I ordered it on July 30th, and my wig came by August 4th. Period. Okay, I live for like the overnight fast as hell shipping. I love fast shipping. I love when I order my wig and my wig come in days, girl, because I'm plotting and I'm waiting. Only reason she is not customized and done is because I wanted to do initial unboxing and like an initial review on her. She's cute. Like, the front is not bad. The hair, like I said, is a little bit rougher on the top, but even like the hairline is not bad. As y'all can see, like, it's already kind of plucked. Like, I'm gonna have to go in and bleach the knots, because the knots are definitely present. As y'all can see, the knots is there. The knots are there. But I'm gonna bleach the knots. I'm gonna bleach her because I actually want her lighter. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bleach her right away, just because she is a little bit rough. Either way, sis is going to be lightened. Sis is going to be colored. She better slay, because like I said, she's short. She's giving jerry curl, and I was not trying to give jerry curl at all. I personally don't wear jerry curls, so let's just hope and pray she don't give jerry curl. But the color, as y'all can see, like, the color is a little fickle. Like, it's definitely a natural brown, but it does have grays in there, so I don't really know who this came from. But we finna see, because I ain't really want no grandmom hair. I wanted some youthful hair, and kind of do feel a little like crunchy at the top. But like I said, I'm going to style it. I'm going to show y'all the final product. And I'm going to probably do like a 1 to 3 week hair update on this hair, so y'all can see how it wears, what's the lifespan, how it is after I color it and bleach it, and if the texture changes or what really happens. So that is all for my first ever initial unboxing of my wig. I plan on doing so many more, because girl, y'all already know I always got a wig on. I'm always giving hair advice. People always coming to me for weaves or whatever, so I might as well bring it to the tube. Okay, I'm gonna bring it to the tube. So thank you so much, Isee, for sending me my wig in a couple days. Not for sponsoring this video, because homegirl, I paid all my $80.30, period, okay? So everything y'all gonna get from this video will be honest, because girl, I work for my coins. Period. Alright guys, so that is the end of my initial review. So I will see you guys in like 2 to 3 weeks when I give you an update on the hair, how it's wearing, how it dyed, how it bleached, how everything went down, so y'all can get the tea and know where to spend your coins, because sis already spent mine. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you know every time your girlfriend posts a video, and make sure you stay tuned, because girl, I got so much coming for you. You know you want the update, you know you want to see what else is up, so when you stop this video, make sure you go watch the rest of them. Okay, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.